Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Yearn finance. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we can notice is our monthly swing high here, right around 49349. We can also plot in our monthly swing low right here, right around 5146. So we also notice a key level right around here. Which we're going to go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. Now here on the weekly, what do we notice? We can see multiple reactions to this level acting as resistance and support. Now we also notice a key level right here. Where we see multiple reactions acting as resistance and support. We can plot in a key level right here, right around 21609, where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance as price broke through and drastically moving to the downside. Now we can also notice a key level right here, right around 11534 and 10614. So your reaction to support here, and we see another reaction to the same level acting as resistance. Now looking at our most recent price action, we can notice a key level right here, right around 7695 and 7376, as we see price reacting as support here and resistance. So these are all of our key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly time frames. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, notice our weekly swing high right here, right around 66429.